Tonight for you, buddy. Really amazing.
And I, for one, as a parent, I'm going to go to my kids and tell them I'm proud of them tonight, and I hope all the other parents out there. It means so much, I'm sure, to you to hear that. It really upset me tonight. It really did. Let's go. You were that broad. It was really good. Your hips were good. I thought you did a really good job. All night. Lauren, I understand where Mia's coming from. Be careful you don't turn out in this. But, you've shaken everything that is possible to shake on your body throughout this entire series. As Miss Lauren, I'm not sure how you're going to tell your kids that. But it was really enjoyable, I thought, this, because what you did was you made contact with us as well as your partner.